When it comes to proper wall health, drainage and ventilation are everything. Luckily, we have the solution for a healthy, adhered masonry wall system. It's no secret that adhered masonry systems fail when moisture gets trapped beneath the surface. Driwall LathNet from Keen Building Products combines metal lath with a polyethylene drainage mesh, creating a two-in-one solution that simplifies installation while improving drainage and airflow, ultimately saving you time and money. Traditional installs often compress the drainage space or end up clogging it with mortar. With nowhere else to go, moisture builds up and seeps into any exposed cavity it can find. LathNet maintains a continuous drainage and ventilation gap behind the cladding, allowing water to drain away and ensuring the walls stay completely moisture-free. Driwall LathNet delivers up to 5 times more airflow than traditional mats, thanks to Keen's patented structured strand technology. Its innovative 3-dimensional plastic core acts as a true mortar barrier, preventing bridging that would otherwise block drainage paths. And the visible 1-inch lath overlap guarantees your crew stays ASTM compliant. Now, let's install it. Starting at the lower left of the wall, install Driwall LathNet horizontally from left to right and bottom to top, with the mesh against the wall and lath side facing out. For the first row, trim the overhanging lath on the bottom edge only, so that the mesh and lath run flush to the base of the wall. Overlap each section by at least 1 inch in a shingle fashion, ensuring all mesh edges are butted tightly together with no gaps. And stagger all vertical joints. This guarantees a continuous, code-compliant drainage plane. Installing against a door jamb or window frame? Measure and cut the material so that the mesh is flush with the metal lath. This allows the drainage plane to extend all the way to the wall component. Overlap all corners a minimum of 12 inches and fasten the end of the panel to the nearest stud or structural surface. LathNet should be fastened every 16 inches horizontally and 7 inches vertically using approved fasteners and washers depending on the substrate. And be sure to always secure both sections of LathNet where they overlap. Driwall LathNet offers faster installs, consistent quality, and reduced moisture risk. For contractors, that means fewer failures and fewer callbacks. It's about controlling space behind the wall. Keep that space open and walls perform the way they're supposed to. Driwall LathNet. Drain, dry, perform.